This recipe is easy and fairly straightforward. First, you combine the coconut oil and maple syrup, then whisk in the brown sugar, vanilla, nutmeg, and water. Instead of the typical ingredients you'll find in regular pie crusts, like wheat flour and butter, this recipe uses plant-based ingredients that bestow heaps of flavor to your pie crust. Of course, as the recipe name implies, you'll use pecans and maple syrup. Pulse your pecans in your food processor until finely ground. This gluten-free and vegan maple pecan pie crust is the perfect addition to your next pie baking adventure. Add the maple syrup mixture to the food processor. You'll know it's done when it starts falling from the sides of your food processor bowl. You'll only need to scrape down once during this phase. If you're avoiding gluten or you're vegan, grabbing a pre-made pie crust from your grocery store is usually out of the question. Besides, there is nothing quite like a homemade pie crust to use with your favorite pie recipe. After your mixture is ready, all you have to do is press it evenly into your glass pie pan and bake. Of course, you'll want to let it cool before filling it up with the contents of your amazing pie. But you can then cook your pie according to its directions and not have to worry about special conditions for your homemade pie crust. Once your dessert is complete, your family and friends will surely rave, even those who aren't avoiding gluten or animal products.